Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate insurance training with Liberty Mutual, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing Liberty Mutual's insurance training platform. Log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Navigate to the Training Modules section. Familiarize yourself with the available resources and tools. Identify the specific training programs you want to automate. Select the training module you wish to implement for automation. Review the objectives and duration of the chosen module. Click on the automation settings within the module. Set the schedule for when the automated training should be deployed. Choose the target audience for the training session. Customize the content as needed to better fit your audience. Incorporate interactive elements, such as quizzes or scenario-based learning. Ensure that all materials comply with Liberty Mutual's training guidelines. Preview the automated training to verify that everything is functioning properly. Establish metrics for tracking participant progress and engagement. Determine how you will collect feedback from participants after training completion. Finalize your settings and save changes to the automation preferences. Notify your team of the new automated training program launch. Monitor the training analytics regularly to assess effectiveness. Make adjustments based on feedback and performance data as necessary. Continue to explore additional features within the platform to enhance training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.